मुझसे तुम लगती हो फूल।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purvi and today's video is going to be so damn controversial. I am petrified of making this video, but I really want to make this one. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate, a lot of dislikes, but it's really okay right now because firstly, I am a person who is very blunt when it comes up to kind of talking about something. Not in a negative way per se, but like I genuinely like to talk about what I think. I'm a Sagittarian, so like if you know any Sagittarian out there, you should know that they're very freaking blunt and honest when it comes up to opinions. And on YouTube, it is very difficult to be 100% honest because there's an army of people who are like going to completely destroy you with whatever is in their power. So I don't know about anyone else, but I personally cannot, because I've always got a lot of hate and kind of used to it now, but somehow obviously it hurts. I'm a human, and yeah. So anyway, the reason I am saying that this video is going to be controversial is because I'm going to be talking about the biggest beauty website called Nykaa and their latest video. The other day I was just on YouTube like surfing as usual, and this video popped up, and it was a weekend skincare routine featuring Shreya Jain. Firstly, Shreya Jain is a big Indian YouTuber, a beauty related YouTuber, and I absolutely adore her. She's very hardworking. Her content is brilliant. She's very creative. I mean, I have not come across anyone who's so hardworking as her in the beauty industry. Her journey has been epic according to me. So yeah, I really admire her. She inspires me in so many ways just to be consistent on YouTube and kind of just be honest, because she's also very honest, you know. I've seen so many videos of her. She's a very honest person. Obviously she's a huge influencer, so she cannot be 100% honest because she's like developed this brand of hers, and she's developed these she's developed herself. This is her job. She cannot be shit talking anyone. But I really admire this trait that she is quite honest considering at what position she is, because I do not know of anyone who is as honest as her. But the series that this YouTube video which I saw on Nykaa, somehow it just got to me. I was so annoyed, I cannot even tell. There were around, I don't know how many steps to pamper your skin, which just I was like, your skin does not need so much. I am not wearing any makeup right now. The only things I'll tell you what I'm wearing is a mascara, a gloss, some golden eyeshadow, random, and there's no foundation, there's no concealer, there is nothing to hide anything basically. So I do not have any like acne or pimples or any breakout right now. My skincare is hardly like 3 steps, and I'm not kidding. I really am not kidding. It gets to me when people talk about essence and serums and all kinds of masks and all of that. I was like, I do not want young girls to think that you have to purchase this huge list of beauty products just for your skin to be perfect. And this is no hate, but Shreya's skin is not perfect. No one's skin is perfect. She has breakouts, and I'm so glad that she's always honest about her skin. She always mentions that a particular product gave her breakouts, and she's very open about her pimples and acne and everything. So that is something that I really admire. But on the other hand, somehow I felt that, you know, using so many products could probably lead to this. I mean, I don't know, I just wanted to say that more than products, your lifestyle is something that really could change your skin or pamper your skin. A weekend routine, according to me, just should be like, if you've had a rough day, or sorry, if you've had a rough week, the first thing that your skin needs is sleep. You know, if you're getting up very early every single day of Monday to Friday, have a weekend off, the first thing that you should be doing is getting enough sleep and not applying lots of skincare products on your skin. Secondly, your diet. That is something that really is a big factor when it comes up to having a great skin. Your diet, like, it is not like, oh my god, you should be having only fruits and vegetables. No! Having one whole freaking liter of water, having the best breakfast ever. I'm not saying only fruits, I literally mean anything. I personally love South Indian. I will literally go out there, have my great masala dosa, whatever the hell I want, and I will be happy, you know. It's very important to have a great diet. Never think that only skincare products can change your skin. That is not needed at all. Unfortunately, we all are so overshadowed by this Korean skincare. The problem is that we do not understand that everywhere the weather is very different. India's weather is very different to every other country there. So we have to decide what our skin wants. We have to know what product is perfect for your skin and not follow any YouTuber out there. Yes, you can research. You can actually gather information by watching these YouTubers, but we all have a different skin type, you know, and I genuinely do not want people to buy anything and everything out there, because I have gone through that and I wasted so much money on it, guys. I cannot even tell you. So I wanted to make this video and kind of let people know that please do not think that you need so many things to get the perfect skin. Your skin needs pampering, yes, there's no doubt about that, but there's so many other factors revolving around that. It was very disturbing for me to watch when Shreya was applying so many products on her skin, and when I was going through, I thought that it was only me, but when I was going through comments, I actually found out a lot of people thinking the same exact thing that I was thinking. Like, every single person was like, who applies so many layers of products? And that is what I really want. See, I'm a very small YouTuber, so I can afford to make a video, get hate and move on. Of course, influencers can't do that. A big YouTuber like Shreya cannot do it because she's literally earning from this. This is her job, okay? And I'm not going to tell that, Shreya, how the f did you do this? No, this is her job. Nykaa must have told her to do all this, and that's fine. That is nothing against all of that. But this is just my opinion. I would highly suggest that first go to your doctor, find out your exact skin type, find out if you have any allergies at all, or which kind of ingredients do you actually need for your skin to be cool. The doctor will tell you. You can actually research for yourself. Just don't be dependent on any YouTuber, any influencer, any celebrity or anyone out there telling you that, okay, this is the best product. Just don't do that. No one has the perfect skin, and you really do not know what is going on with their life and what they are doing to their skin beyond what they show. So that is all I wanted to come out here and say. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate, and I really want to talk so much, but I just feel very threatened by YouTube. So I'm just going to end my video right over here. Just want Nykaa to know that please stop with the skincare and actually give some realistic videos. I really want Nykaa to give some really realistic videos which kind of in-depth knowledge about basic questions that audience has, rather than just selling the products. That is all I wanted to say, and that is all for today's video, guys. I am sorry if I offended anyone. I love Nykaa, I absolutely adore Shreya, but this video was not at all cool for me. This video was very annoying, to be honest. This video just got to me so bad that I had to shoot this video. It's just crazy to watch when Shreya herself, her skin is not perfect and she's trying to tell her audience that use these products to have the best skin when her skin is going through some issues. That is where I am like, nope, not happening. Anyway, this is it for today's video, guys. I am again very sorry. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. If you would want to know what is my skincare routine, it's like literally like what, 3 products, which are, I am sure, under $1,000. I'm telling you, I have not applied any makeup, no foundation, no concealer, nothing to hide anything on my face. That is why I wanted to make this video, because I'm not trying to hide anything. And I hope you have a fantastic day. You are beautiful, whatever your skin may be, whatever you are, whoever you are, believe in yourself, because no one else will until you do. Mwah. Bye.